Mean sumo. Mean sumo.
Yeah, it's actually perfect. You're saying it so many times.
Mean sumo.
Okay, Derek. Enough is enough.
I'm gonna go up to random girls on the streets of Manhattan. Mean sumo. Like, what the f is wrong with this guy? It's possessed or something. It's like crazy.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, what's up? It's us.
Back with another
The
video.
white shirt couple.
Yes.
Look at that. We're both wearing. It wasn't planned. It just happened. Yeah. Can you even see us? You just see our my head, my hands. You don't see anything else because the white background, white shirt. Summer. Ruth, white shirt. You see her head. Her.
Summer's sleeping, by the way.
Summer's sleeping. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's late at night. We're doing a late night video. Ooh. Where's my hot chocolate? Where's my hot chocolate?
I'm your hot chocolate.
Yes. Well. Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, you are. All right, let's get started.
You're probably going to be on my nerves in this video, I can tell.
I bet I am. So anyway, a few months ago, Ruth taught me, or tried to teach me, her language tree. It's the native language, one of the indigenous or native language spoken in Ghana, right? So she's actually pretty fluent in it. She brought it back with her from Africa when she came over. But there's also another language called Ga. And she speaks it as well. She's pretty fluent in it. So she's going to try to teach me that as well. Of course, I'm going to fail miserably, so you guys can laugh at me. That's fine.
The thing is, though, I feel like you probably won't fail miserably because even though you hear me and my parents speak it sometimes,
I know.
You probably would have caught it. And in the car, sometimes my Ghanaian music comes on in a car.
I don't understand anything.
But
I pretend I do. I just sing along with it. I just go blah 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 blah. You know, I'm like, I don't know what they're saying. I just mouth along to it. I have no idea what they're saying. Sorry, I'm probably being very offensive right now.
Yes,
aren't
you
I?
are being very offensive.
Silly white man. Okay, let's go. So
let's
teach
start.
me Ga.
Okay, so. Achobo. Mini achobo. Mini jugbe.
Mini achobo. Mini jube. Mini achobo. Mini jube. It means.
Mini jugbe.
Mini jube.
What? Mini G.
Mini G.
Ogbe.
Ogbe. Mini G ogbe. Mini G ogbe. Is that right?
No.
Oh, come on.
Mini G ogbe.
Mini G ogbe.
Okay.
Mini G ogbe. How are you? What's your name?
Yes.
What is it? What's your name?
Yes.
All right, Mini G ogbe.
Mini G ogbe.
Mini G ogbe Derick.
Yes.
No, you don't say what's your name, Derick. You just say, how do you say my name is Derick?
Yeah, Achomi.
Achomi.
Achomi Derick.
Achomi Derick. Achomi Derick.
Yeah. Or Ingbeji. Mini Jugbe. Ingbeji.
Ingbeji Derick.
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. All right, let's move on. I don't know what that is. Let's keep going.
Minobaye Wallo.
Oh God. Mini Wailu. Wailu.
Mini. Mene.
Mene.
Wabaye.
Wabaye.
Wallo.
Wallo. God, who can say that? You know, to every African person that's watching from Ghana that actually knows the Ga language, like, I'm sorry, they're probably laughing a circle. Everyone else is like, what? What is the point of this video? You guys are all saying that. So, you're saying, what did you do today? Is that what you're asking
No. Minua buying mene. Wait. Minua, what did I even say?
Say it, babe.
Mene wabaye.
Mene wabaye.
Wallo.
Wallo.
Wa.
Wallo.
Wa.
You're saying, are all white men as handsome as you are? That's what you're asking me.
Yeah, no. I know.
No, you're not. What
Guys,
are you saying,
you should go see the video, and I'm going to put it in the comments, pin it to the top, and it's going to be speaking only treats my husband for 24 hours.
She did it, yeah, I know. We did it when we went to Walmart. I think, was it Walmart?
Yeah, it was Walmart.
It was a lot of fun.
It was fun. And we went to a few places.
Her parents were laughing hysterically, obviously, because they didn't know what she was saying.
Exactly.
Like, all right, so what does that mean, babe? What are you saying?
It's something to do with dinner. So
what are we having for dinner?
Yeah.
Okay, say that again.
So mini wabaye wallo.
Mini wabaye wallo.
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 So I'll help him. I'll help him. Today we're gonna eat chicken.
Today we're gonna eat chicken.
Chicken meat.
Is that Ga? Today we're gonna eat chicken meat. No, that's English.
Yeah, I'm telling you what it means.
Oh, okay.
You didn't guess it.
Oh, okay. Today.
Mene wabaye wallo.
Mene wabaye wallo. Today we're gonna eat chicken meat. Oh, that's nice. How do we say today we're gonna eat pig?
I don't know.
Oh, there you go. See that?
I know it in, wait, you know, I know it in tree. It says, Mino and nebedi aponchenam.
Aponchenam.
You know what aponchenam is?
Oh, God, no. Pig.
No.
What?
Goat.
Goat. Oh, no. I'm not allowed to eat that. I don't want to eat that. Actually, I do eat that sometimes with curry. Indian curry.
Indian vindaloo.
Yeah.
Okay.
I eat the Rogan Josh. Gulab Jamun. For dessert, gulab jamun. Does anyone know any of this stuff? If you
Yes, babe. Of course
Let
I
me
know
know.
Indian food, babe.
Yes.
My
Okay, go
favorite
on.
is Indian food.
Keep going.
Okay, so
This is all the guys she knows. She doesn't remember anything now. It's always like when she gets to this video, like she's like, "Don't put me on the spot. I don't know what."
yes.
Think of anything.
Wait,
Say anything.
tell your thing.
Teo ya te. Teo ya te.
Wait, te
Te.
or your
O yo.
thing.
Te.
So
Teo
tell
yo
your
te.
thing.
Teo yo te. You are stupid. That's what you're saying.
No.
Teo yo te. I don't know. What does that mean? I have no
Tell
idea.
your thing.
What does he say?
How are you doing?
How are you
Tell
doing?
your thing.
Teo ya te. I'm gonna do that to her mom. Next time I see her mom, I'm gonna be like, Teo ya te. I'm gonna say it like that too. Like, Teo ya te. Right in her face. See how she responds. She'll be like, get away from
She's
me.
like, what the heck are you saying?
Oh, yeah.
She think you're
Teo ya te. I'll tell your dad that too.
You should tell my dad the tree,
Yeah.
which would be what to say. But that one you know.
Huh?
What to say.
Oh yeah, Ohunto-se. I remember that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ohunto-se.
Yeah. Guys, you should go watch the other one, Teaching My
Yeah.
Husband How to Speak Tree.
It's fun.
It's really hilarious.
Fun. I failed
too.
miserably, just like
Yeah,
you.
I failed miserably.
All right, what else am I gonna say?
Okay, and then the Aberdeen Kurumankwine.
Oh God, how am I gonna try that? Do it in what? Say it again.
And then the Aberdeen Kurumankwine. Wait, no. Wait a minute. That was tree.
No, you have to say. Oh, you know, like I know the difference. Like I know the difference between the two. Come on.
No, wait. I messed up because that's actually tree. Man, guys, I switched
Yes,
up.
I'm sure a lot of our
You're
audience
confusing
is
me.
gonna be so upset with you now. Hey Ruth, that's tree. You're not speaking Ga. What's wrong with you? That's what everyone's saying right now.
Maybe Nuabaya.
Maybe no baya.
Maybe
Maybe
Nuabaya.
no abaya. I don't know. Maybe no abaya. Maybe no abaya. Maybe.
Maybe
Maybe no
Nuabaya.
abaya.
When are we gonna go?
Ah, maybe no abaya.
Yeah, maybe Nuabaya.
How do you say now?
Bien no.
Bien no.
Yeah. See how now? It's just
Bien.
one word now, but in Ghana it's like a million
big thing,
words.
No, you mean
So,
one syllable
bien
now.
no.
3 letters. Bien no. Whatever.
Yo.
Yo. Yes.
Yes, because I always say, I was like, yo.
And you always say, what's the word for no again?
Dabby. Yes, you know that one. Dabby. Dabby.
So no, I
Okay.
Dabby.
Dabby. Teishi.
Teishi.
You're sitting there and someone says, Teishi.
Teishi. Be quiet. Is that what you're saying?
No. If you're
Listen.
sitting
Oh,
and someone
stand
says,
up.
yes.
Teishi. Stand up.
Teishi.
Teishi. I'm gonna tell it to her mom. Really loud too. I'm gonna go, Teishi. While she's sitting down. She'll look at me with such a nasty look, I'm sure, like, how dare you? How dare you, young white man, teach it to an elder woman like this? I'm like, I'm just kidding, Ruth's mom. I love you. I don't want you to get up. You sit. You sit for as long as you want to sit.
Teishi. Babie.
Babie.
Bianano.
Bienano. Sit down. Or get over here.
Get over here.
Get over here.
Come right now. Come
right
over
now.
here.
Come over here, okay.
Come over here. Yeah,
Babie.
you got it.
Bienano.
Yeah.
Alright.
Tashi yabie.
Tashi ibie. Stay there.
Tashi
That's
yabie.
what
Like
I'm
you're
saying.
standing
Tashi
up and
yabie.
let's say she's throwing a tantrum.
Yeah.
Tashi yabie.
Tashi ibie. Stop. Or stop it. Or calm down. I don't know. What does it mean?
Tashi yabie. If you're standing
Tashi
up.
yabie.
Tashi yabie. Sit right here.
Okay, sit right
Sit
here.
right down.
Tashi
Sit right
ibie.
here.
Okay. Very good, babes.
Okay. Ohe for.
Oh yeah, fall.
Ohe for.
Oh yeah, fall.
Ohe.
Oh hey.
Yeah for.
Yeah, fall.
So put it together.
Kiss me.
Oh hey, no, it's not kiss me.
Oh hey,
baby.
you fall.
Oh.
Probably not. Of course you wouldn't say
Oh yeah.
that. Oh hey, you fall.
Oh hey, you for.
Oh hey, you fall.
Yeah, what is that?
I have no idea.
Oh hey, you for.
I love you.
No.
No?
Oh hey, you for.
Look at me.
Oh hey, you for.
You're pretty.
Yes,
I'm pretty.
you're
Oh, really?
beautiful.
You're beautiful. Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. Oh yeah, you're full.
Oh, yeah, for.
Oh yeah, you're full. Wow,
Yeah.
very good. This is interesting. I'm never gonna remember any of this, but that's okay. I'm learning it anyway, and I'm
Yes.
just gonna forget it the next day.
It's more like you're gonna forget it now.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, 2 minutes. I'm gonna forget everything.
Wait, let's test you to see if you forgot it. Babia bien and all.
Bob, yeah, no. You stay there. You get over here. Or you
You
stay.
get over
You
here,
get
you're
over
right,
here.
you
Bob,
did
yeah, no.
Bien and all. Let's see. Okay, 2 last ones and we're done. Okay.
How do you say I love you? Oh God, you don't even know.
Okay.
You're like, oh, that's the one thing I don't know. Of course.
Of course I know.
Yeah. Well, what is
I
it?
love you.
Oh, chiwa tika poop. Is that how you say it?
First of all,
No, I'm just kidding.
what do you think the from
I
this
know.
box in there, babe?
I would like
You
to
stop out.
communicate in a series of and clicks and t. All right, never mind. So go on. What does it say? How does it say I love you?
So, I love you is, middle. Wait, no. Okay, that's tree.
Right.
That's
okay.
tree. Minsumaboa.
Min soboa. Min soboa.
Min.
Min soboa. Well, that's so funny. What am I saying?
You were saying Minsumaboa. Like, that's
doesn't
not the
sound-
alphabet
that
of
doesn't
one
sound nice.
company.
Oh, really? So
Min
Right.
sumabo.
Min somobo.
Wa.
Wa.
Min somobo wa.
Min somobo wa.
Yeah.
Min somobo wa.
Yeah.
I will not tell that to your mom. How funny would it be if I did that? I just sit down and it's like I grab her hand, I'm like, Min somobo wa. What would her reaction be? I couldn't even imagine. Your mom?
We have to say it properly because right now you're saying it like
Alright, say it again.
Min sumabo wa.
Min somobo wa.
Yeah. Min sumabo.
Me?
Min sumabo wa.
Min somobo wa.
Min sumo.
Min somo.
Boa.
Boa.
Yeah.
Min somo boa.
Exactly.
Min somo boa. I gotta remember that.
You have to remember
Min
that.
somo boa.
Oh, let's not remember that.
What if I tell Summer? Would that be weird?
No.
It's
you
okay.
love her, remember?
But how is this like a romantic love or just a regular I love you? I mean, how? I
Yeah,
don't
it's
wanna
a
sound
regular
ridiculous.
min sumabo wa. It's just.
What if I tell your dad that? Min somo boa. I'll say it like this. I'll just take his hand and be like, Min somo boa. How funny would that be? Your dad would like pull him and be like, what the fuck is that?
He would never say that. He would laugh
yeah.
and roll on the floor. You know how he is. And then if you say to my dad something like, "Me pewasem, papa."
Min
Me
pawas.
pewasem, pa.
I am your dad.
Min
Don't ever
sumo-
talk to me like that again. That's what he's saying.
Me pewasem pa.
Min pawasa pa.
Yeah, me
Me
pewasem pa.
Me pawasam pa.
Yeah,
What does that mean?
mismaboa. It's the same thing.
Oh,
In
means,
tree, it's
oh.
mismaboa. I like you a lot, and then in tree, it's me pewasem pa.
Min
I like
somo
you.
boa. Is that right? Min somo boa. Min sumo
Yeah, it's
boa.
actually perfect. You're saying it so many times.
Min sumo boa.
Okay, Derek. Enough is enough.
I'm gonna go up to random girls on the streets of Manhattan. Min sumo boa. Like, what the is wrong with this guy's possessed or something? They're crazy. Look at him. Min sumo boa.
You should actually go out to
like
random
this.
dudes. And
Oh. I go up to every black person I meet. You don't know what that means? It's an African. Duh. Oh, you're so stupid. That's just silly old me talking. Anyway, guys, listen.
Anyway, thank you for the
Time's
video.
up.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm
It's
sorry.
so
This is a long
long.
period. Yeah, we did
Yeah.
this a long one. I hope you guys stuck with it, though. It was kind of fun.
Yeah.
If you didn't like it, well, too bad. This is what you get. Well, anyway, guys, we know you liked it, so please comment, share, and do all that good stuff. And
Wait.
you know how it is.
Yeah. And don't forget, guys. Remember, keep putting the questions to the Q&A in the comments down below because we
Yes.
told you guys in the last video. If you want to know something about us, you have to put it in the comments down below.
Please
and
do.
if you see someone has put in something on there, make sure to like that person's to get the vote up.
Yes.
Thank you all so much for
And
watching. We love you. Make sure to share our videos. I'll be back with more videos.
We'll be more back.
Ciao.
We love you. Bye.
Stop it.